Today this tutorial is very important for online earning. In this tutorial I am going to show on how to use link Shortener and earn up to $20 per 1000 views. And I will show you payment proof. This site is 100% trusted. You can use this site and earn unlimited. You can generate your any stock file link or any site link by this Shorten site. And earn unlimited. So let's get started and watch my full tutorial. At first go to this refer link. This refer link in this video description box. At first click on this video description's refer link. Now click this checkbox I'm not a robot. Then select what type of things need to select. Then click on verify. And now comes to our site. This site by link shorten and share link then earn up to $20 per 1000 views. Click on sign up. Now here give your username. Your email. And give your password. Then re-enter password. Then again click on I'm not a robot. Then click on verify. Then click on I agree, then finally click on register. Now you can sign in your created account. Now enter into this created account. Now you can shorten your any link from here. This is my another account. And from this account I withdraw money. Here available balance is $13 and I already withdraw previous $20. This is the payment proof. I withdraw this $20 by Skrill account. You can send money from this site Skrill, PayPal, or some methods. This is the payment proof. If you want to process to shorten your any link, so firstly copy your any download link or stock link, or any site link, which you want to shorten. Then here paste. Then click on shorten. Then copy this link. Then finally again shorten this link by Google Shortener or bit.ly.com link Shortener. Because this earning site or earning process is not supported by everywhere. So need to again link Shortener. Then this link you can use your YouTube video description box or your website or blog site. Or anywhere. And it will be unlimited earning. But no hard work. Just a simple process. Now I will show you how to withdraw this money, and show you payment proof. At first go to setting then profile. Then fill up your information. Name, address and everything. This process you can fill up when you want to withdraw money. After fill up your details. Then here select your payment method. Which method do you want to withdraw your money? You can withdraw by PayPal or Skrill easily. Now give your withdrawal account. That means your Skrill account created email. Give your Skrill email. Then finally click on submit. Now click on withdraw. Then make sure OK. Here you can see your withdraw payment is pending. After some times or within 24 hours it will be approved. Here see, I is approved. And now go to Skrill account. Here comes you $13. You will got IR and you see the payment proof. And from this Skrill account you can send your money from Skrill to Skrill. Or bank transfer easily. Thanks for watching my full tutorial. I hope you like this tutorial. Please like, comment and share this video with your friends. And tell your friends for join in this account and earn money unlimited. Thank you, see you next tutorial.